have osteoarthritis either in your knee, your hip, and even in your spine, and you are wondering what can help lessen your pain, the information that you will learn today is going to help you. In this video, you will learn about a Wonder Cure supplement that would help with osteoarthritis. I will be answering commonly asked questions, and stay with me until the end for you to know if you are getting better. If you have osteoarthritis and you don't really understand what's going on in your body, here is what is happening. The tough, soft tissue structures known as cartilage that covers the ends of your bones to prevent it from rubbing each other begins to degenerate. The common risk factors are aging and genetics, and in severe cases, it will leave the ends of your bone uncushioned and uncovered, allowing it to rub each other when you move. Such as a result of an X-ray here, there is loss of joint space signifying damaged cartilage, giving you the pain, stiffness, and discomfort whenever you move. Osteoarthritis usually worsens over time, affecting one joint from another, and majority of people only rely on pain relievers, and in severe cases, surgery and joint replacement. Here are common questions that are being asked. You have options, but one of the best options is glucosamine. Glucosamine is a nutrient that is found in small amounts in the food that we eat, and it also comprises the cells of our cartilage itself. One of the main functions of glucosamine is to encourage the production of long chain of sugars called glycosaminoglycans, which can encourage the repair and the rebuilding of your cartilage. Glucosamine has been used in Portugal, Spain, and Italy even in the early 1980s. And these countries have shown that glucosamine is equal to or greater than ibuprofen in relieving pain. Although ibuprofen can give you faster relief, the studies done in this country actually showed that those who took glucosamine actually had 3 times lower pain after 8 weeks as compared to those who were ibuprofen takers. Glucosamine works by stimulating the rebuilding of your damaged cartilage. It prevents further damage, and it also has some anti-inflammatory benefits. Actually, glucosamine works by relieving the pain and the stiffness by getting into the root cause of the problem. In some studies, glucosamine alone had been very effective in treating osteoarthritis, but some feedback from patients and some also clinical trials suggest that the combination of glucosamine plus chondroitin makes a more powerful medicine for osteoarthritis. Chondroitin is also a supplement that is used in relieving osteoarthritis, and it works similarly, same as that of glucosamine. It prevents further damage of the cartilage, and it serves as a building blocks for the repair of new cartilage. Plus, it also draws more fluid into the cartilage. This is very important because it provides the proper nutrition for your joint. At the same time, it helps with lubrication that will help with your stiffness. You can talk with your doctor about the dosage, but generally 1,500 milligrams of glucosamine and 1,200 milligrams of chondroitin are usually given to adults ranging from 120 to 200 pounds, and usually it is best to take it after a meal. Some people experience relief of symptoms in as early as 1 to 2 weeks, but generally you will see improvement in your symptoms usually after 8 weeks. And you need to understand that although your pain had already lessened, the true rebuilding of cartilage, which is actually the main concern with osteoarthritis, takes time. An ample time of, let's say, 4 to 6 months would be fair enough for you to decide if it had helped you in relieving your symptoms. If you find this video helpful so far, I would really appreciate it, and you can help this channel by please clicking the like button below for this video to reach out to more people. Not everyone with osteoarthritis improves with glucosamine and chondroitin. This is not a sure remedy for osteoarthritis. It will not give you full assurance that you will be completely pain-free. However, in majority of cases, they have drastic improvements. The fact that you can lessen or avoid the use of pain relievers, and the fact that it can postpone or even avoid joint replacements, this one is already considered a big factor. Besides just taking glucosamine, you can also speed up your recovery by committing to a regular exercise program. If you want to know more about home exercises for knee and hip osteoarthritis, I have a video here. You can click it. It will definitely help you. You also know for a fact that you need to exert effort in losing excessive weight and eating a good diet full of fish, which is high in omega-3. Side effects with glucosamine are non-existent or minimal. In fact, it is considered to be 1,000 times more safer than indomethacin, a commonly prescribed drug which is used in osteoarthritic patients. But please talk to your doctor about this, and talk to them especially if you are diabetic, if you are taking blood thinners, and if you are pregnant, because certain medications can cause possible drug interaction. Glucosamine should help stop cartilage destruction in osteoarthritis as well as rheumatoid arthritis. However, you need to talk to your doctor about treatment options, because when we talk about rheumatoid arthritis, besides the joint, this condition can also affect other organs in the body because it is systemic in nature, as opposed to osteoarthritis, which only affects the joints in your body. Glucosamine sulfate is better absorbed by our body than its counterpart, glucosamine hydrochloride. You can have it alone or paired with chondroitin. To check which one is best for you, this is actually trial and error. You need to try it yourself and see if what really improves your symptoms, and then you try to stick with it. Before using glucosamine and chondroitin, talk to your doctor about it and try to evaluate the intensity of your pain using the visual analog scale. 0 having no pain, 5 moderate amount of pain, and 10 being the worst pain possible. Try to evaluate the intensity of your pain after you took glucosamine and chondroitin. One another best gauge to really find out if you are getting better is try to observe your ability to move. Try to observe how you feel when you rise from a chair, when you walk, and when you go up and down the stairs. After all, your ability to move pain-free is our ultimate goal. Osteoarthritis is a condition that worsens over time, but we can do something about it together. Please share this video to your friends and family members who are also complaining about joint pain. Please don't forget to click the like button below if you think that this video has been helpful, so that this video can help other people as well. Thank you very much for watching. Should you have any questions, please comment down below, because I would really get back on you. This is again Doc Sherry. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy. God bless you.